Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, April 4th of 2019. Couple morning announcements for today. We do have a birthday to announce to Brandon Schuler, so happy birthday to you, Brandon. I hope you have a wonderful day. And for our lunch choices today, we have soft beef tacos, barbecue rib sandwich, or fun on the run. Also, boys and girls, we do have our third grade who will be sponsoring our pause. So they will be talking about some things about pause for today.
All right, it is time for our pause, and we have some third grade students here to talk about pause for today.
Don't cheat when you're taking a test. Be respectful by listening to the teacher. Don't touch things that are not yours. Do what you're told to do.
Those are great examples. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance. Please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate that. You did a wonderful job today with our announcements. And then, boys and girls, make sure that we're making some great choices today. It is Thursday, so there's one more day of the week, so let's make sure that we have a great day today.